Hey guys, my name is Okafortuna and that's too fast. Hi guys, my name is Okafortuna and you're welcome to. Hey guys, hi guys.
What's hey guys? Hi guys.
You don't do it.
Shift.
Alright.
Alright,
Let's go.
oh, don't look at me. Don't look at me.
I should look at you.
Hi guys, my name is Okafortuna and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to do this. Yeah, this. What's
So basically, I'm going to teach you how to film a conversation with yourself using just your smartphone.
simple.
So this effect is called the cloning effect. It's literally just creating a clone of yourself, like another version of yourself to interact with. You can use it for your TikTok videos, your comedy videos, your skits, create another character and interact with the character. You can also use it for sponsorship videos or ads. By the way, I'm partnering with Dream and Nigeria to bring Tutorial Tuesdays to you. Every Tuesday, you get to learn a thing or two from me. So if you're not following, do follow right now and turn on post notifications to be the first to watch these videos when they drop. So let's get into it. So as much as this is a very fun way to interact with your audience, by doing a clone, it can easily be done very wrongly or be very awkward and somewhat cringy. So besides me showing you exactly how to cut these clips on my phone, I'll also be telling you the do's and don'ts to nail this effect perfectly. So let's dive in. You open the app CapCut. It's available on iOS and Android. So when you open it, you click on New Project. Then you import your main video. Then when you import your main video, you go to Overlay and you import the second video you want to. That's the second character you want to interact with. So when you import your second video, you scroll down on the tools and you go to mask. And the mask, and you click on the mask tools. There are different types of mask. Then you click on split mask. And you make the split mask vertical, not horizontal. It can sometimes come like this, but you make it like this at 90 degrees vertical. So basically that's how to do it. So for you to literally get the two parts of the two characters, the middle part, for you to make it smooth and seamless, you drag that right button to the right and it blends the two videos together. And there you have it. You click done, and there you have it. You have the clone video right there. So basically that's basically how to achieve the cloning effect on your smartphone. So that's basically what you do. And when you perfectly smoothing out the middle points between the two characters that makes them blend into each other, then your video is perfectly done. So now quick tips for you to note to get the perfect cloning video. So number one, sightlines. Sightlines can easily make or mar the video. You should make sure that you're looking in the same direction with your character. If your character is on the same level head with you, you look straight and not look up. If you're looking up and your character is looking like this, you won't easily sell the effect and it will look very weird. So you should look on the same plane or on the same line with your character and not away from your character, so it can easily sell the effect to people. Number two is using different outfits. You should obviously know that using the same outfit with your other character will almost not tell the difference between you and the other character. So using different outfits will sell the effect well, and you'll be able to differentiate who is who. And when your audience can be able to differentiate both characters, it sells the effects perfectly. Make it look more natural, just to make it look normal. While the other character is talking, you can record responses like yes, okay, oh, cool, nice, stuff like that, just to keep it going and make it look natural. To sell the effects perfectly, you don't necessarily have to use the main wide angle. You can crop in like I did here. You can crop in to one character while it's talking. You can crop into the second character while the second character is talking. You can show the second character while the first character is talking. and vice versa. It gives it a natural effect, it sells the effect, it makes it real. Number 5 is adding reaction shots. So reaction shots are shots like yes, just to show that you are in tune with the conversation. So example of reaction shots are something like this: shots that react to what the other character is saying, nodding your head, saying yes, like just nodding your head, reacting to what the other character is saying. So the last tip I'll be sharing, which is the most important tip, is talking to a recording. Before I knew about this, I would try to remember what the first character said, then change, then use the other character to reply the character with what I had in my head. But if you use that method, you most likely not nail it perfectly, because I don't think you'll be able to remember what exactly you said as the first character. So what I usually do is, when I'm playing the first character, I usually record myself either on my phone or any audio recording device. While I'm talking to the second character, I put my AirPods on my other ear, and I'm listening to my AirPod, and I'm reacting to what my AirPod is saying. So those are all the tips you need to know to sell this effect easily to your audience. So the items you most likely need to make this interview possible are: 1, a tripod, because you need stable shots, that you need it to be on level plane so that you can easily sell the effect. You also need very good lighting to light the first character and also light the second character, and you can get those lights on Jumia Nigeria. You also need both of your characters to be very audible. That's have very good audio. That's where lapel mic comes in. Very good and quality lapel mics are sold on Jumia Nigeria. You can get it. You can just go to Jumia Nigeria's website and search for lapel mics, lapel LAPEL microphones. That's the one that is right here for mobile phones, and you're going to see it right there. So using my code APKush will give you 10% discount on any item you purchase on Jumia Nigeria. Yeah, so go use my code. And that will be all for today. Do follow me if you aren't already. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any tutorial Tuesday, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.